Welcome to your complete guide for NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV 2026. I'm going to show you how to sign up, build your own custom multi-view, and hide spoilers so you never ruin a game. First, you have two options. Add it to your existing YouTube TV base plan for the full experience, or grab it as a standalone primetime channel if you only want the Sunday games. To sign up, go to your membership settings on a browser. Find NFL Sunday Ticket, choose if you want the Red Zone bundle, and select your payment plan. Pro tip, use monthly installments to split the cost. The massive upgrade for 2026 is Custom Multi-View. You're no longer stuck with presets. Select any 4 live games you want, and build your own quad box to watch them all at once. Starting late, don't let the menu spoil the score. Go to the team or league page, click the 3 dots, and toggle Hide All Scores. This keeps your feed spoiler-free until you hit play. And remember, you get unlimited DVR, record every game automatically. If you're short on time, use key plays to catch up on just the touchdowns and big moments in minutes. That's how you master Sunday Ticket in 2026. If this guide helped you get set up, drop a like and subscribe to Tecno Tutor TV for more tech tips. Enjoy the season.